In today's video, we're diving into the thrilling world of sport bike tires, comparing two serious contenders, the Michelin Power GP2 and the Mitas Sport Force EV. Both are high-performance motorcycle tires designed for riders who enjoy spirited road riding and even occasional track sessions. However, these tires come from two very different design philosophies. Michelin brings decades of MotoGP and racing experience into the Power GP2, while Mitas offers a more budget-conscious performance option with the Sport Force EV that's been steadily gaining popularity among aggressive street riders and weekend warriors. So which tire should you choose? Is the Michelin worth the premium price? Or does the Mitas offer enough real-world performance to satisfy most riders without compromising safety or feel? Let's break down both tires before comparing them head-to-head. The Michelin Power GP2 is a hypersport tire that's designed to blur the line between street and track use. It's the successor to the original Power GP, and it builds on that platform with improved grip, faster warm-up times, and enhanced rider feedback. One of the key technologies in this tire is Michelin's 2CT Plus and 2CT front and rear dual compound construction. The center of the tire uses a harder compound for durability and straight-line stability, while the sides are made of a softer compound that significantly boosts grip at lean angles. Combined with optimized tread patterns and a slick-inspired profile, this allows the GP2 to offer exceptional cornering precision and confidence at aggressive lean angles. What really sets the Power GP2 apart is how track-ready it feels on the road. The contact feel is immediate, the steering is razor-sharp, and the traction is outstanding, especially once the tire is up to temperature. Even under hard braking or fast direction changes, the tire maintains stability. However, being a performance-focused tire, it comes with a few trade-offs. Ride comfort is noticeably firmer, and while wet grip has improved compared to older generations, it's still not ideal for heavy rain. And of course, premium performance comes with a premium price. The Mitas Sport Force EV is a high-performance street tire targeted at aggressive street riders and budget-conscious track enthusiasts. EV stands for evolution, and this version is an upgrade over the original Sport Force Plus, with improved carcass stability, more predictable grip, and better heat resistance under stress. While it doesn't feature dual compound construction like the Michelin, the EV version uses a revised rubber formulation that allows the tire to heat up quickly and maintain consistent grip over a wide range of temperatures. This makes it appealing for track days or fast road riding without requiring tire warmers. One of the strongest aspects of the Sport Force EV is value for money. It delivers respectable cornering grip, solid mid-corner stability, and decent tire wear characteristics, especially for riders who want performance but don't want to spend top-tier prices. That said, it does have its limits. The tire isn't quite as communicative or precise as top-tier tires like the Power GP2, especially at extreme lean angles or under hard braking. Wet weather performance is also average, and under repeated hard use, like multiple track sessions, it can show wear faster than expected. When comparing the Michelin Power GP2 and the Mitas Sport Force EV, it's essential to understand the kind of rider each tire is intended for, and where the real-world differences begin to matter. On paper, both tires are built for high-performance riding, but in practice, they offer very different riding experiences in terms of feel, precision, longevity, and cost-effectiveness. Let's begin with dry grip and cornering performance, which is often the #1 priority for riders choosing this class of tire. The Michelin Power GP2 is simply outstanding in this category. Thanks to its dual compound design, with a hard center and softer shoulders, it gives riders exactly what they need: stability during straight-line acceleration and strong, confident grip at full lean. The tire warms up quickly and maintains temperature well, even during repeated aggressive riding. The feedback it provides through the bars is immediate, making it ideal for riders who want to feel every nuance of the road or track beneath them. In comparison, the Mitas Sport Force EV performs admirably in dry conditions, especially considering its price point. It heats up fast and maintains decent grip through corners, especially in moderate riding conditions. For fast road riding or occasional track day use, it holds its own. But when pushed closer to the limit, such as deeper lean angles or trail braking into corners, the tire starts to show its limitations. The edge grip is there, but it's not as confidence-inspiring or consistent as the Michelin. This means skilled riders pushing hard will begin to notice less precision and more vagueness at the limit. In steering response and stability, the GP2 again takes the lead. It feels sharper, with faster turn-in and more mid-corner stability. Direction changes are quicker and feel more connected. This responsiveness is a result of both its compound and its advanced construction. On high-speed corners or when flicking through chicanes, the Michelin is laser-precise. The Mitas, on the other hand, has a slightly more relaxed steering profile. It's not slow, but it doesn't have the same immediacy. Some riders might prefer this, especially on the street, where ultra-sharp steering can feel twitchy or fatiguing. But for those chasing lap times or riding aggressively, the GP2's advantage is clear. Now let's talk about wet performance, often a weak point for performance tires. The Power GP2 has made significant improvements over its predecessor, with better water evacuation channels and a more adaptable rubber compound. That said, it's still a tire that prefers dry conditions. While it's usable in the wet and manageable in light rain, it's not something you'd want to rely on in a heavy downpour or for long wet distance travel. The Mitas Sport Force EV is very similar here. It's rideable in light rain, but it doesn't shine in wet conditions. There's limited siping and a relatively sporty compound, which means you'll need to ride more conservatively when the roads are wet. For both tires, the takeaway is the same. They're not rain tires, and if wet weather is common in your area, it's worth considering a tire with better all-weather capability. Where things get really interesting is in tire wear and heat management, especially under repeated hard use. The Michelin Power GP2 is designed with track days in mind. It manages heat well and maintains performance lap after lap, resisting the kind of thermal degradation that cheaper tires may suffer. While its lifespan might not be as long as a touring tire, it delivers consistent grip over the course of its life and wears predictably, a huge plus for riders who push hard but want reliability. The Sport Force EV, by contrast, wears faster under hard use, particularly on tracks or under heavy braking. Riders often report great initial performance, but noticeable drop-off if the tire is repeatedly pushed beyond its comfort zone. On the street, whereas more manageable and casual aggressive riders will still get decent life from the Mitas. But on the racetrack, its durability doesn't quite match up to premium competitors like Michelin. Comfort and road feel are also worth considering, especially for riders who spend a lot of time on real-world roads rather than the circuit. The Michelin offers a firmer ride, more communicative but also less forgiving over poor pavement. You'll feel more of the road's surface, which is excellent for performance feedback but can be tiring on long rides. The Mitas, by comparison, offers a slightly plusher ride. It's not a touring tire, but it does a better job of smoothing out bumps and poor quality roads, making it a bit more friendly for everyday riding or longer highway sections. Finally, price and overall value are where Mitas scores serious points. The Sport Force EV is significantly more affordable than the Michelin Power GP2, often by a wide margin. For riders who want solid performance without paying premium prices, it's one of the best bang-for-buck tires on the market today. It may not outperform the Michelin at the limit, but it offers 70 to 80% of the experience for significantly less money, and for many riders, that's more than enough. The Power GP2, on the other hand, is a top-tier hypersport tire, and its price reflects that. But you're paying for precision, performance at the edge, and durability under extreme use. If you're the kind of rider who explores those limits, or values absolute trust in your tires, the cost is likely worth it. If you're a rider who pushes hard on the street, enjoys the occasional track day, and values precise steering, consistent performance under pressure, and maximum grip at full lean, the Michelin Power GP2 is clearly the better tire. It's engineered for riders who want track-level confidence every time they ride, and it delivers that without compromise. But if you're a budget-conscious sport rider who mostly rides on the street and wants a capable, grippy, and enjoyable tire without spending top dollar, the Mitas Sport Force EV is an excellent choice. It offers solid performance, fast warm-up, and real-world comfort, all at a price that's hard to ignore. In the end, it comes down to your priorities. Ultimate precision and performance? Choose the Michelin Power GP2. Strong performance at a lower price? Go with the Mitas Sport Force EV. Thanks for watching this detailed comparison. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your experience riding on either of these tires. Ride safe, and keep it rubber side down.